yes, it looks so cute. Oh yes, I love it. Okay, so before I film this video, I just have to show you, this is my craft desk right now. It is such a crazy mess. Do you see those bags of acorns? My niece, when they were here over Christmas, kept finding acorns and wanted to do acorn crafts, so she got 2 bags of them. Did we use them for crafts? Yes. Do I have too many left over? Yes. And then I just haven't put stuff back together, and I have to film this video. So let's see if I can do it without losing my mind. Hey guys, Min from On a Stamp Page. I'm super excited. I know my nails look a little bit crazy, but I will tell you, this nail polish, just as an aside, this is the Essie like Express dry nail polish. They call it Expressy. So I have crazy oils in my skin that make my nail polish flake, but this is after like a week. So like this nail polish, oh my gosh, lasts really well. Anyway, that's beside the point. Today, I am here with the Crafty YouTube collaborations, and we are doing a Would You Be Mine hop. So basically what you're gonna see today is you're gonna see creations that are Valentine's themed that have some sort of wood in it. And I'm super excited because I found these little frames at the Dollar Tree. They're like little chalkboards, faux chalkboards, and they stand up like this, and I'm gonna be using this. We're not sponsored today, but I am gonna be giving away a surprise Valentine bag of just goodies. And I guess it's not really a bag, it's more like a package. So if you would like to be entered into the mystery Valentine's Day stash, that's what I'll call it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch it all the way through, and then comment down below a tradition that you guys do every year for Valentine's Day. Okay, so with that, the first thing that I did with this, and I'm realizing I still have a few rough edges, I actually took some sandpaper and I sanded everything down because I want to paint this frame a different color. And then I've got all of this stuff that I pulled that are just random Valentine's pieces that I've gotten, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. And I also found these really cute little wood accents that I forgot that I had. So these are just all things that may or may not make it onto our frame, but I have them just in case. I'm really wanting to do something with at least one of these doilies. So let's go ahead and get started by painting this white. So I'm gonna be using Folk Art Titanium White paint to paint the edge and the base of this frame. Alright, so now that that is painted, I wanted just a light coat anyway, and so I'm just going to set this aside to dry, and then I will be back. Alright, so we are back and the frame is dry. I love the way that the white looks with the black. I think it looks really good, and my home decor Valentine colors are red, black, and white, so this is going to be perfect. So now I'm just going to kind of play around with some different options of what I want. I kind of really like this heart in the middle, and I do have this flower, but I think that's a little bit too much. I could also do something where I have like a white one, and then I do something with like these felt red hearts. Well, these are from the Dollar Tree and they're stickers, so I could do something like this. I'm actually really kind of liking that. Or I guess I could also do the same thing with the red and then put a white one in the middle. Oh yeah, I like that. Then I could even layer on top of that with like a red glittery heart, and I'm kind of like that. Oh my gosh, I kind of like that. I think I'm gonna start by adhering this down, and I might use Mod Podge, I think, to just put a nice layer on the back and then have it down on here. So let's do that. We're gonna take the felt heart, and since it is a sticker, I'm just gonna take the back off of it and lay it right on. And then last but not least, I'm going to hot glue this glittery red sticker right into the center of the heart. All right, so there is the heart part, the heart part. Oh my gosh, I'm easily amused today. So there's the heart part of this frame. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bow up top that's going to kind of hang down and give a kind of a nice shabby chic feel. I also have these tiny black and white ginghams. And actually, now that I look at it, like how cute would that be? Oh yeah, totally doing that. Putting this right into the center. So now that that little bow is on, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I have any ribbon that matches this, and I will be right back. Okay, so I found this, which is pretty close. It's not exactly the same, but it is black and white. And I think what I'm gonna do is what I've seen called as a shabby bow, where you just cut up pieces of ribbon and then you like crisscross them to make this really cute bow, because then I might be able to do something like put another heart in the middle or something. So I'm going to cut strips of this, and I'm gonna do that. And I don't know how many strips I'm gonna cut, we'll just see. Let's do some of this. So now I have all of my ribbons. I chose to do 5 different colors / textures. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the edges and I'm going to cut them so that they are like a little pennant at the edge. I don't know what you call that. It's where you like fold it in half and then you cut to make it look like it has edges like that. And I'm going to do that to all of my stacks. So I have the edges of all of these ribbons done, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them in a random crisscross pattern to create the shabby bow. And at the end, when I have them all layered, I'm going to tie the middle with some twine or some string. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I like that best. All right, let's hot glue the crap out of this onto there. We're not done. I'm gonna add a couple more things because I just feel like this down here needs a little bit more. So we're gonna add some things. I love the way this turned out. This is so cute. And if you wanted to, you could just do the bow up here and then do like a word down in here. But I think this turned out fantastically. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Remember, if you want a chance at winning a fun Valentine craft stash bundle, whatever I decided to call it, please like this video, watch the whole thing, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out everybody else in this fabulous hop. They have some gorgeous creations. And until next time, hugs and happy crafting, friends. Bye.